video on how to practice Canon in D by Pachelbel on page 3. Let's first look at line 1 and 4. You have all half notes on both of those lines. That means you're going to have to save your bow. This is the middle part of the bow. You want to create 2 beats from the frog, 1, 2 until the middle, and then for the beat 3 and 4, it'll be 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please remember to create a solid sound, yet slowing down the bow so you have enough counts to do the half notes. Now line 2 and 3, they are all quarter notes, so they're going to be faster, but I still want you to use the full length of the bow from the frog to the tip and from the tip to the frog. Let's just do a little practicing. Make sure you're drawing the bow always between the bridge and the fingerboard, never going above the fingerboard, and you're going to draw the bow straight down or straight up so that the bow and the bridge are parallel to each other. Let's just do an A and E string, then E string, now to D string, G string. Now the incorrect way will be to draw the bow and your bow is closer to the fingerboard and where your arm is going to your back to the side. Please try to prevent that, and the way to prevent it is to use your wrist, keep your wrist all the way down, okay? And then you're going to go up. Make sure your wrist goes up, and when your wrist goes down, it dips like so. So for practicing any music, it's important to do it very slowly because you want to focus on the intonation, the pitch of the piece. So I'm going to use my handy dandy metronome, set it to this tempo, which is relatively slow but perfectly fine when you are practicing a piece. Okay, so I'm going to count, or I'm going to let the metronome do the counting for me of 4 beats before we start. I'm looking at my music ahead, looking through all 4 lines, looking at the fingerings, the sharps, and I have my 3rd finger on A string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line 4, I bring my wrist up, wrist dips, three, 4. Please make sure that you're resting on beat 3 and 4 of the last bar, and I didn't take the repeat this time, but in class we will do so since this is supposed to be a round where we will play, divide the classroom in half and do the round for Canon.